What's your name?
My name is Shin, sir. Conquer.
Miss Shin? 你真的很漂亮。
Kung yung iba pinanganak na matalino o ipinanganak na talented.
Bonjour. Is this alive?
Madeline. You want me to stop?
Oh, no. I like it. I love it. I feel alive.
O ipinanganak na mayaman.
I want to deposit you, Karen.
Yes!
I said, call me uncle.
No deal, banker. I'm very close to my tiyuhins.
So, how much do you want?
Plus 3,000.
Deal.
Okay.
Ako, ayun, pinanganak lang. Walang high IQ,
Monsieur.
special skills. O dato,
Yes.
para mabuhay.
Yes.
Itong pinasok ko.
Oh, it's so good.
Ito yung ipinapapasok ko sa akin araw-araw. Happy birthday, mga puta.
Ati, payment ko. Fully paid ako, ha.
Makaati ka naman, hindi kita kapatid.
Ati, as in attorney kasi.
Bakit mo ba gusto magpapalit? Maganda naman pangalan mo Yung isa kong client, macaroni 5,000. Yung isa, circumcision. Gastos lang to.
Eh, gusto ko bakit ba? Born again ako.
What? Ikaw?
Gaga. Born again kasi. As in, muling pagkabuhay. Ganon. New name, new life. Para hindi nyo na ako mahagilap.